My name is Stacie. I had gastric bypass and a tummy tuck. I lost 134 pounds. I've gone from a size 22 to a size 10 in jeans and 8 in dresses. The ability of Dr. Frenzel to not only do the bariatric surgery but also do the plastics has been wonderful, because he understood the needs that I would have for plastic surgery because he had been my bariatric doctor. And he understood the complexities that can come after bariatric surgery with the skin and with the excess skin, and how even though you've lost all this weight, that can still be really demoralizing, and getting it all tight and taut and, you know, like you've got this 18-year-old stomach is amazing. Right from the get-go, he made me feel at ease, and he explained the whole process to me on the first visit, set up a timeline for how the procedure would take place and the milestones I needed to meet prior to the procedure. And then he, you know, helped me meet those milestones and had been there with me every step of the way. I'm much more active. I get up and work out every day. I'm up at 4 a.m. riding my exercise bike 25 miles a day, about 4 or 5 times a week. I'm active with my son. We're out and about all the time. Shopping now is phenomenal. You know, it's so much fun to go in, especially right at first when you're changing sizes so rapidly. And just when I would go in, and you know, the first time I bought a pair of size 16 jeans and held them up against my 22s, it was like, oh man. And then now I can hold up my size 10 jeans against the 22s. It's like, oh my gosh, that you really did that. When I decided to go ahead and do the tummy tuck, after the gastric bypass, I of course had a lot of loose skin, because once you lose that fat, the skin doesn't necessarily suck back up to your body. And when I think about it, I was thinking about this the other day, I have lost like the equivalent of 28 5-pound bags of potatoes. And so you can imagine all the loose skin that was hanging around. And when Dr. Frenzel went in and did the tummy tuck, I think he removed like 8 or 10 pounds of skin. And it was just like the finishing touch. You know, everything fits smooth. I don't have to worry about what I wear under clothes now. I can put on a form-fitting dress and not have to worry about bumps and bulges, and it's wonderful. The pain was minimal. I was back at work within a week, and even though, you know, I had a little bit of extended time with the drains, it was wonderful, because there really wasn't a huge recovery time. I was able to go back and was even back exercising within 2 months. My future goals are, just in a few weeks, I'm having a bunch of pictures taken. My son and I had not had pictures taken since he was 10 years old, simply because I wasn't going to get in front of the camera, being almost 300 pounds. And now I can't wait to get in front of the camera. In fact, I'm even going to let the photographer do some with a midriff kind of shirt on, just in order to kind of show off the results, because I'm so proud of them. And as the year progresses, my PhD will be finished in August, and I'll be able to walk the stage and become Dr. Stacie Adams and look fine and svelte and start a brand new life. If you're on the fence, I can't say enough that if you've come to Dr. Frenzel and you're working with his staff, that you've come to the right place. They're going to see you all the way through from beginning to end. They'll call and check on you. You'll call in and they'll be glad to hear from you. He's going to help you set your milestones and your goals and reach them, and celebrate you with you every step of the way as you do. It's a life-changing experience. I just can't say enough good about it. It's been quite possibly, besides having my son, one of the best things I've ever done. Thank you. It's been wonderful.